Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 5 different side hustles that you can do with absolutely zero experience and skills online today. So the first one is one that I've personally tried, and that is going to be freelancing with Fiverr. I'm going to show you a method that you can do today that requires absolutely zero skill. So I've made over $250 in the last few months doing this freelancing method, and it's been completely passive income because all I have to do is do like 5 minutes of work per order, and then I made over $250. So what we're going to be doing on Fiverr is selling motivational / business reels. So if we do search up motivational reels, there's a lot of people who are successful with motivational reels that are getting like over 1,000 sales. And that's at $40, the cheapest price. So if you add that up, that's like $40,000 he's made. There's quite a bit of competition with these motivational reels. So I'm going to show you guys how to do business reels, which is what I personally am selling. So if we look at business and finance reels, just like this guy, he has over 14 sales. So in order to make money with this, all you need is to get videos, and then you can just sell them to people. And you don't have to do anything. They're pre-made. You just sell them, slap their logo on it if you want, or you can not even do that, and you can just resell the same reels every time for like $30. So there's 2 different methods of doing this, and the first one is by going over to a website called Etsy, and this is the easiest method, but it does cost money. So you can find motivational Instagram reels like this, 4,000 of them for only $5. And then you can buy that, and then you have 4,000 motivational reels that you can sell in your Fiverr gig. Now, if you guys don't want to pay, what you can do is go to youtube.com and then search up like any type of famous people's interviews like Kevin O'Leary, and then just look up compilation or interviews about him. And then what you do is just record it with OBS and then chop it up. And just go to one of those auto subtitling websites, auto subtitle it. Then you can do that with 10 or 20 different celebrities, and it does take a long time. It took me like maybe 30 hours to make all the videos, but then you can make them for completely free, and you can start to sell them for $30 per time to different people. So once you have the videos subtitled and everything, you can now sell them for like 20, 30, 40, even $50 for 100 or 250 reels. One service you can offer is putting a client's watermark on the videos. That way they can't resell them. And you can do that by using a software called Adobe Media Encoder. And so here's how I personally do it. You just open up Adobe Media Encoder. So find your files. So I have my files here. We're going to take one example of this one here, drag it in, and you can do this with as many files as you want. So we're going to take 2. And then Control A, hit this button here, match source bitrate. Then it'll open up, and then you get your file with your subtitles that you've already made. You go to the effects tab, go down to image overlay, applied, and then you choose your image. So for my example, I'm just going to grab a random image. So let's just do the Amazon logo. And then you just take your logo and you size it up. And you can do that on every single one in bulk, and then you can add their logo onto it, which is what I have been doing. So then you just size it up, change the opacity a little bit, and then you have their logo on all of the reels. So number 2 is going to be easier to start making money right away, and that is with the website called rev.com. So you just go to rev.com. It is a transcription website, and you just get paid to transcribe different texts. So what you do is that you get paid to transcribe people's videos, and you can get started by doing this yourself. So what you can do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page, the very bottom, where it says become a freelancer. And you can join the community of 70,000 plus freelancers who are making money, captioning, transcribing, and subtitling content. So do that, and you can do any work schedule you want. You can do hundreds of jobs, and you get paid every single week with PayPal. So you can make easy money if you do this, and you get 30 cents to $1.10 transcribing, and 54 cents to $1.10 as a captioner. And if you know a foreign language, you can get up to $1.50 to $3 per audio/video minute. So that's a really good one. If you guys want to do that, you can get up to $3, which is triple what you can get in English. So it's a way to make some cash on the side. It's a good side hustle and I would recommend it. The only thing is, once you have applied for this, it's going to take them a few weeks to respond. So you're going to be waiting a few weeks or maybe even a month or two before they answer and let you start doing this. Number 3 is usertesting.com. So this is a website that gets people to test out people's products. So what you can do is that you can actually test products and get paid. So you just gotta go to usertesting.com/get-paid-to-test, and then it says the ultimate side hustle, get paid to share your perspective, and you can sign up, and then you have to apply and then answer screening questions, do a test, and then you can start to make money testing things. So the hard part about this is that you have to send videos of yourself testing it. All you have to do is sign up, take some videos of yourself testing whatever products they want you to test, and then you can make some money doing it. So it's a really great way to make money with no skills online. So number 4 is Google search rankings, and you can do this on Fiverr or you can message customers directly. So there's 2 different methods you can do this, but pretty much businesses want to rank high on Google. So what you can do is search businesses like barber shops or anything, and then look at the ones that are low ranking, and then just send them an email saying, I will offer you a Google search service. And then what you can do is that you can rank those keywords for them, and that is not too difficult. There's tutorials all over YouTube and everywhere on how to rank higher in Google search results, and you can do that for people charging $50 to $100. And if you don't want to email the businesses directly, what you can do is you can go to fiverr.com, and then you can offer a service of Google SEO rankings, and just like this, everybody on here is getting paid huge money. This person's done $320 in sales over 400 times. So that is absolutely crazy. You guys can make loads of money doing these Google search rankings. You guys can do these Google search rankings on Fiverr and emailing businesses directly for some money online. So number 5 is going to be with YouTube channels. Now personally, I've made over 10 different YouTube channels, and I've over 8 years of experience making YouTube channels. YouTube channels on social media are one of the best ways to make money because you can make so much passive income once you get videos out there that are getting views. And one of the ways you can do that is with a service called vidIQ, which I will have a link for down in the description. Make sure to check that out and sign up using my link down below. And vidIQ pretty much helps you find the top keywords so that you're able to get millions of views with your videos. And all you have to do is get your phone and record whatever type of niche you're trying to make, and you can make loads of money online with YouTube.